In this video, we'll demonstrate how businesses can verify their customers within seconds. This demo illustrates how the user journey will be on your website or mobile application. First, the integration. You can integrate our application program interface, or API, to your website, and our software development kit, or SDK, to both your Android and iOS mobile apps. And if you don't have a team of developers, don't worry. We offer hosted verification as well. Simply tell us your requirements and we'll create a web page for you. You can send its URL to your customers who can upload their IDs for verification there. Let's take a closer look. There are 4 options for identity verification. Quick Know Your Customer or KYC demo to verify the identity of customers. Detailed KYC demo for extensive customer verification. Know Your Business or KYB demo for business verification. And anti-money laundering or AML screening of your customers. In this video, we'll demonstrate the quick KYC demo. This iframe is what your customers will see in your website or app once you've integrated Shufti Pro's API or SDK, and you can customize it according to your business needs. For example, you may choose face verification alone or a combination of document verification, phone verification, or any other product. By using an ID card, passport, driving license, or a credit or debit card, you can verify your customer's identity. Your customers can upload or take a live picture of any of the identity document mentioned earlier. You also have the option to make it mandatory for your customers to capture the document image in real time. The uploaded document should contain the name and date of birth, which Shufti Pro will extract using OCR or optical character recognition technology. Wait for the image to upload. Your customers have the option to upload or capture a live selfie for face verification. OCR extracts information from the document. And in a few seconds, the information of your customer is verified. Verification results will be sent to your customer and to you in the back office. In the Verifications tab, you can see the complete history and ongoing verifications along with their status. Moreover, you will be able to see the verification details, declined reasons for verification, and proof of verification. In the Integration tab, you can see various identity verification services of Shufti Pro. Choose the ones you want, and Shufti Pro will auto-generate a sample code available in different programming languages that you can easily integrate into your system. With Shufti Pro, you can verify 3,000 plus ID documents in more than 230 countries and territories and over 150 languages. Try 15-day free trial today. Shufti Pro. True identity builds trust.